Attorney.
Sorry for the delay. May mga inasikaso lang kami ng kliyente ko.
No problem. By the way, this is Diana Paraiso La Madrid. Diana, Attorney Rafi Manalo.
Nice to meet you, Diana.
Nasaan ang kliyente mo, attorney?
Yes. My client, CEO and proprietor of Grand Horizons Incorporated, Mrs. Amanda Barameda.